To make something Luxembourgish with letzai, we must first log in to the platform. Enter the link letz.ai into the address field of your browser, click Login to existing account, confirm your name and password, and you reach the welcome page of the app, powered by artificial intelligence. At the bottom of the window, we see 3 buttons: Feed, Create Image, and New AI Model. Let us start with Feed to explore a collection of images published by letzai users. Let's give a closer look to this picture of Mish. Michel Strotz is the co-founder and CEO of the communications agency Neon Internet in Luxembourg, who initiated letzai. He is a computer scientist and the main developer of the project. Among the themes of his artworks are Superjump, Yuppie, and Luxembourgish politicians. The next artist to view is Fanman, the alias of Karim Youssef. He is the second co-founder of Neon Internet and the chief marketing officer. Karim holds a degree in arts, business, and management. Beats is the surname of Sasha Schmitz, the chief content officer and partner of the agency. He has a degree as educator. Sasha is a fan of Boxemenische. He loves graffiti, screaming faces, Halloween, and fire. Jaku is Jacques Sweniger, the Chief Operating Officer. He has a master's degree in entrepreneurship and innovation from the University of Luxembourg. Jacques is proud to present himself at a pirate ship in different dressings. As a girl with red short, as a young boy with a straw hat, or like a businessman wearing suit and tie. We are coming now to the last male officer of the letzai team, Riccardo Prosperi. He is the agency manager and doesn't have much free time to play with the letzai image generator. He created a few selfies showing him as enlightened, praying bald monk with an orange robe, as Mexican with a long mustache and a big sombrero, as Turok in the wild with a dinosaur in the back. Last but not least, we met one of the women working at the Neon Internet agency. Her name is Julie Wieland. She is the lead designer of the agency. Julie has a degree in communication design from the BTK University of Arts and Design in Berlin. She is a fan of Yuppie and created a model of her Dackel Herleiman. The dog loves to swim in a Bauernsklup. After exploring the artworks created by other people, it's now time to generate ourselves some images. We start with a small meal as refreshment, a Bohnenschlup with Gromper Kichelcher. Both treats are available as trained models in letzai. If we enter the first character of a model with the prefix commercial at in the prompt field, all existing models are displayed in a pop-up list. When clicking the button Generate Image, the magic happens in the cloud. The image generation process shown in this video is not real-time. I skipped some frames to reduce the waiting time. For the next images, I suggest to use some current topics. What about the new Luxembourgish government? Numerous politicians agreed that their photos were used to create models with their names when letzai was launched a few weeks ago. Among them are Luc Frieden and Xavier Bettel. I propose to create a portrait of the next Prime Minister with the prompt, Luc Frieden as Napoleon. In the next step, I would like to present the current head of government, Xavier Bettel, perhaps with the mention, drinking a Batten beer. As we know in the meantime how the process works, I will stop my comments for a moment. Enjoy the music, which has also been composed by an artificial intelligence created by the Luxembourgish startup Iva AI. After the successful image generation, we should be able to take the next challenge, create a new letzai model. It is useful to look first at the blog and to read the frequent asked questions, the terms of service, and the privacy policy. To train the model, we need a minimum of 20 and a maximum of 35 high-quality photos. My own collection of photos is hosted on a local disk station, where it is easy to select the best snapshots. The following screenshots show my landscape and architectural photos taken a few weeks ago at the natural area Gila Botta and at the university campus Esh Belval. I used a selection of these shots to train 2 public models with the names of the locations. The letzai platform accepts different image formats for training, but I recommend to crop the main subjects into square photos to get best results. At the creation launch of a new model, we have 2 choices, public or private. I confirm that I have all necessary rights about the submitted photos. Next, I enter Marco_Barnig as model name and click on continue. I want to create a public model with my own name, to train with selfies, close-ups, portraits, half-body and full-body pictures of myself, taken in different locations and with various clothes. After checking 30 photos inside a folder in my computer, I approve the selection. Enjoy the music during the upload process. After a final check of the displayed photos, I start the training process, and again, the magic happens in the servers in the cloud. The training takes some time, which gives me the possibility to take a cup of coffee. I am informed by email that the training has been completed. A new login is required if the letzai session is expired. To activate the model, it's helpful to enter a description with a few attributes. Man is suggested as first type by the platform. This is okay. I will add glasses as a second type because without glasses, I am lost. Now we are ready to generate a first image with the trained model. By selecting only the name of the new model in the prompt field, a test is generated on the fly. A portrait of myself appears progressively on the screen. It's not very exciting. In the next trial, I will add the text, playing saxophone in the streets. The created image shows me holding a saxophone in the hands. That is not the expected result. A second click on the Generate Image button creates a perfect shot. Thank you, letzai. In the last step, I will publish this image in the feed to make it available to all letzai users. I also create a thumbnail to illustrate the public model. A quick look in the feed shows that my portrait with the saxophone is displayed at the top of the listed artworks. Great! Let us switch to the Model tab to check if the thumbnail is visible. To close my tutorial, I show an overview of my public and private models.